Hello friends! Our tutorial for today is about a water heater that doesn't automatically shut off when the water is boiling. It continues boiling without any cut off. So we'll try to check this. We'll try to put it on the boiling point, and after that we'll try to see what is the problem. Well, this kind of repair is a case-to-case basis because of course there are some defect on this, the heating element, maybe the wire. In this case there is power and it boils, the heating element is okay, and now the only problem is that it doesn't cut off when the water is boiling after 10 seconds. So that's what we're gonna find out and try to fix it. Alright, so right now we'll try to put it on. Okay, now let's switch it on and let's try if it now doing the auto shut off when the water. Now it's starting. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17. So okay now friend, we will try to cool this down and we'll open the parts of this. We'll open it and we'll see where is that bimetal location, and we will try to fix it. Alright. Well, most of the time the bimetal location is down here. Sometimes it's over here. And let us see first to open this without removing the. Okay, this look like the problem here, the bimetal. Let's take it out. Alright, now okay, you see this kind of bimetal, when it sends the heat the evaporation of the vapor, it flicks like this, and that will push the button of this little part here. Yeah, you see that? That's look like a plastic, a small pin from this side, that whenever the switch is switched on, when he sends the heat, this bimetal flick inside, or this is at this time it is convex shape. It will flick and then he will touch this button here and then shut off the power. Okay friend, now the explanation of this bimetal here, it's look like this one, as I illustrated here in the paper. It is a semi-convex shape, right? That means it curves outward, right? It curves outward like this. Now it is on this position, and this pin that I've shown you, this pin, small pin, is on top of this, right? Okay, now once this is on the normal position, once it sends through the vapor of the hot water, when the hot vapor which is goes onto this area here, it's already in this position. When it sends the heat of the water vapor that is evaporating, it will flick in a concave shape. We're pushing this little button here, and it will push this little pin here through this side here. Okay, like that. Once you see that, once it pushes this little button here, that will switch off the switch. Okay, so that is the function of this small bimetal look like a flick switch, right? A mechanical switch that flicks when it sends the vapor, hot vapor that is going on this area here. Okay, like that. So okay, we'll bend this. Okay, but try not to bend this too far. All right. Okay. Okay, that's fine. Now we will return it back. Turning it back, don't forget the little pin which I've told you. See that? Put it in the switch. Other model are different location of this bimetal. At this time we are lucky that it is from the area here, not at the bottom. Okay, now let's see that see that once it hit the hot vapor of the water, it will press down, it will go in the concave area, and it will shut off the power. Okay, now so okay, let's switch it on and wait until it boils. And okay, now the water starts to boil. Then it's time to count 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's okay. Better than not shutting off at all. So it shut off between 10 folks. So that's how to repair this kind of water heater when the problem is only on the mechanical parts. So okay, thank you for watching, and I hope this helped. Well, this is a case-to-case basis because there are some problem right now. The problem which we had remedy or solved is the